Hello, good afternoon, Miss Martes Agi.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
I am Martis Ibanez Agi, 36 years of age, married with two children, 17-year-old boy and 11-year-old girl.
Okay, so can I ask, ma'am, where did you live, ma'am?
I live in Guadalupe, Esperanza, Agusan del Sur.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We are 10 siblings in my family. I am the youngest.
Okay, so tell me about your educational background. Are you a high school graduate or college graduate?
I finished my 2 years course at Philippine State College of Aeronautics with a course of computer studies specializing in airline operation procedure.
Okay, so do you have a work experience in abroad?
No, I don't have experience in abroad, but I have experience here in the Philippines within 7 years as caretaker and housekeeping at the condo units in Cebu City.
Okay, so can I ask, ma'am, how many members of the family did you serve?
There are 3 members of the family.
Okay,
Have
so
a 2-year-old girl.
okay, so 2 adults and
2
One
adults
children.
and 1 children who's 2-year-old girl.
okay, so what is your routine and duties, ma'am?
My duties is taking care of kids, cleaning, deep cleaning of all rooms and including the purchasing all the materials for the condos.
Okay, so can I ask, ma'am, how will you describe yourself? I mean, how will you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am the hardworking person and of course I am the honest.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Okay, so did you undergo to any kind of surgery or other medication right now?
no.
Okay, so why do you want to work in abroad again, ma'am? I mean, why do you want to work in abroad?
I decided to work abroad so I can help my family, to my husband, also to sustain our daily needs, especially for the future of our children.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, so give me an idea, how can you take care of another children and children with tantrums?
If ever I encounter that kind of kids, I will try to talk to them, then I ask them to play or reading some story or books.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to you, sir, that I'll do my very best as your worker.
Okay, so do you promise also to do you love them if they have children?
Yes, I promise to you, if you have children, I treat as my own and I love them too.
Okay, so if they have rules and regulations, do you follow them?
Yes, I will follow and obey. That's all, and thank you. God bless you all.
Okay, so how about do you promise also to finish the contract?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.